YouTube, what's up, man? Your boy Minnesota Underdog. Hey, I got something for y'all. Hey, I got my money up a little bit. We getting ready for the car show tomorrow. So I gotta get this thing cleaned up. This thing nice and dirty. You can't really tell, but ooh, look at that. Nice and dirty. It look clean from a distance, but it's dirty.
Best place to stop. The coils off this part.
Oh shit. Check this out. You need to put a sad face emoji with that thing. Ultra. believe what happened. Man, I'm on my way to the car show. I'm like a hot 10 minutes away. Okay, I'm pulling up on that thing. My music jamming. I'm feeling good. And I hear something, it get the fluttering. My engine fluttering. I'm like, man, what's going on? Hey, pull over, assess the situation. Check this out. Coil. It messed up. Hey, it messed all. I can't even believe it. Spark plugged and popped out and everything. Oh, this is my tow truck guy calling. Let me see what's going on. Hey man, I got my man Nick with Towing Squad coming to pick me up once again, like he always does. He on the phone right now. But he about to go ahead and pull me on up. Hey, I'm going back to the garage. I had my buddy Shane come over. I still gotta call him. He don't even know yet. I still gotta call my man. Have him come on over and put this coil on spark plug. Go ahead and put that back on the back. And then we're gonna see what happens then. That's what we're gonna do. Go ahead and see what else happens. Then we're gonna go from there. Yup. Hey, I was now off in that thing, man. He had to wake me up. I just fell asleep. But he here now. Small ride is right around the corner. They should be pulling up in 2 minutes. We up out of here, man. I get back at y'all. Let y'all know what's going on. Hey, once again, hey, Jasmine broke down on me. Had to call my man, come pick me up. I done messed up again. Hey, you do what you always do. Come pick it up. And I got my ride coming. Should be hitting this corner in a minute. He gonna drop that off for me real quick. And I'm gonna have me a drink. I still need to give me something to eat, give me something to drink. And I'm tired now. All that sitting, I'm tired. So we get back to it, and we'll be back in a minute. Jasmine cutting up, ain't she? Man, Jasmine out here cutting up. So we about to get that spark plug coil. That ain't that bad, you know. I didn't have work. Hey, you know I had work. You know I just had to replace that intake manifold. So the intake manifold compared to a spark plug and a coil, no problem. So hey, my ride done pulled up, man. They should be in this corner. And I'm about to get out of here, man. Jasmine, hey, signing out. At least she look pretty. At least she look pretty on the tow truck. All right, thanks, man.
Yeah, man. See you later, man.
Hey, we be okay. I'm out of here.